Hey everyone, I am Dan O'Callaghan and welcome to Do Art with Dan. In today's video, I'm going to be opening a cool little box, drawing some inspiration from what's inside. All this blurred out stuff. I've been doing a lot of concept art here for the big Ardent Comics project that I'm working on. I don't want to show you guys it just yet, just because that would be spoiling things. Yeah, I'm gonna bring out a video which provides you with a closer look at what all this is. In the meantime, let's have a look at it's a very heavy box. I actually do have a knife here. Here we go. It's interesting that Guardians is up there because dun 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 kind of relates. This, as you can see, is it's going to be more about the cinematic universe, but yeah, this is it. This is what I've been pretty excited about. The story of Marvel Studios. Alright, let's open it up. Forward by Kevin Feige, afterward by Robert Downey Jr., of course. And as you can see, it's not just one book. It's two books. 2 volumes. Hold up. Have to interrupt this YouTube video to have a quick look at the new Spider-Man No Way Home trailer.
You tap into the stability of space-time. The problem is you trying to live 2 different lives. The longer you do it, the more dangerous it becomes.
Oh shit.
Be careful what you wish for, Parker.
Whoa.
Hello, Peter.
Holy shit. Oh man. Yeah, that's it. I'm not watching any more trailers. I'm getting all these ideas now. Yeah, I don't know. Screw it. Let's just do a bunch of random Spider-Man. Yeah. Just see what we can come up with. We're drawing the boxes, doing the proper way of, you know, coming up with a decent illustration instead of just making it up on the fly. By all means, if you can make shit up on the fly, do that. But I think, you know, when you want to come up with a dynamic, interesting composition, it's important to do some thumbnails of what it is that you're going to be doing, especially when you're doing something like a mutant spider shark, which is not a fully drawn out concept yet. You know, you wanna come up with a plan for that, otherwise it's going to be a mess. So that's why I've got these boxes. This is such a stupid idea. Maybe he could be like a venomized shark. Is that what he is? I don't know, people. Oh shit. I don't know where this stuff comes from. From the ether, you know, out there. Pirate Spider-Man. What am I thinking? This is going to look ridiculous. So should he have a normal hand on here, or should you have another hook hand? Maybe you should just have another hook hand. What do you guys think? Got the little Spider-Man wings. You know what I'm saying? It's not really a pirate hat, is it? Is it? It's more like an Akubra, like Aussie hat. So I don't know about this one, guys. It's looking a bit ridiculous. Is he gonna have hair? I don't know. He should have a pet. It's like a mutant shark. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah, spider shark, people. you to open this little mystery box. Alright. Oof, I'm excited. The definitive story of how Marvel Studios created the Marvel Cinematic Universe. If you're a fan of comic book, whether it's Marvel or DC or Image or whatever, seeing this Marvel Cinematic Universe come into being is kind of like it's like a fever dream. It's like, I don't know if that makes sense, but it's just, it's something else. You know what I mean? It's insane. Yeah, it's a nice size.
That's what she said.
But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, it's nuts. What's been created? Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, that looks a bit funny, I must say, having the writing on the volume split on the spine. Looks a bit odd. But no, that looks nice. That gold indent into the black cover. So this is volume 1. Yeah. We got Captain America from the first film. And of course Ryan Meandering, I think. I hope I pronounced that right. He's one of the head artists. I forget his name. Happy. Did that other movie. Oh, Jon Favreau. That's what it was, yeah. Of course, here we go. We got some concept art from Iron Man. Oh, these storyboards. Eric Ramsey. With Phase 1 of Marvel movies, when they were coming out, I wasn't even enormously into it. I would go and see them at the cinema, but I would sort of do it with a begrudgingly like, oh, this isn't as deep as it could be. Like, Iron Man is just a rich jerk who, you know, has this giant ego, and Captain America is just like such a propaganda military movie. The Red Skull character just felt so cliche. And then Avengers, I just felt like it was played for children. I mean, The Incredible Hulk, I actually really liked that movie. The way that it was presented and everything, and the score and that. I think it was 2014, Captain America, Winter Soldier, Guardians of the Galaxy, and Avengers Age of Ultron, dealing with the Vision. Some of his dialogue was just so good, it just made that movie for me. That's when I really started to turn around on the whole MCU and could see just how awesome this thing was becoming. And that's when I just got fully into it. Looking back at the Phase 1 movies now, of course, I really love them and look at them with nostalgia. Casting the King. Yeah, I was pretty heartbroken when I heard about Boseman. Oh man, it was a big loss. Chadwick Boseman was just like so perfectly cast for that role of T'Challa. Alright, we've done Spider Shark, Spider Pirate. What about Spider Knight? Yeah. Spider Knight. Who would Spider Knight be fighting? I don't know. But maybe he's not fighting anybody at this point. But thinking. Spider Knight does whatever a Spider Knight does. Like, what if he like did a bit of webbing? Like, you know, you've got different types. He's got the electric web, he's got the spitball web, and then he's probably got exploding webs, right? Well, this one is a web that shoots out like a meter. The webbing actually freezes, and he grabs it, and that becomes his sword. Alright, let's get into volume 2, shall we? Ooh, look at that. The Infinity Gauntlet. That looks nice. Man. Oh, Thor Ragnarok. Love it. Doctor Strange. I love that film. That was a good one. Black Panther, of course. Oh, here we go. They got the chapter 9. Oh, so each chapter is corresponding year. Cool. The future. Oh, exciting. Oh, I see. 2019. Okay, so the future will probably just be like the Disney Plus series. Definitely more of a, like, there are some great pictures, and obviously there's some concept art in this. Photos on set, which is awesome and interesting to look at. But a lot of it is, this thing is going to be worth really delving into and reading and hearing like what was going through people's minds as they were developing this whole universe. I feel like as I read through this, that's what I'll find, is that there are certain things that Marvel does to keep the train moving, to keep every film coming out, is that they have these certain pillars of experience and process that they go through. At the beginning of the creation of the film, through the filming of it, and then to celebrate and complete it. They have these certain traditions and markers of importance that they do, and this is what it's all about, is celebrating what these guys have achieved. That's how they're able to keep creating and keep being success after success, I reckon. Like there's got to be something to that. Hey, all the after parties and that, I think. There we go. And then an image from Iron Man. Whoa. Stacked. These are every one of the bloody Marvel Studios concept art books. I don't have room for this bloody thing. Yeah, this is one of my guilty collecting pleasures. I found a hell of a lot of inspiration in the Marvel cinematic universe, and I just marvel at how they're able to do it, how they're able to bring that whole world into existence. Is just insane. It's so crazy. He got a sword. He goes, Lord. He fights for the Lord of the Spider Gourds.